Hello everyone. So today I'm here to address one of the most difficult questions that students have and one of the most easiest one to answer. When should you join for economics entrance coaching in case you want to take one? So my suggestion would be to go ahead and join this coaching right after your fourth semester entrance exam. See, a lot of people ask me, what if I want to join after first year? It's very early. You have not studied econometrics, intermediate micro, intermediate macro ever. So you join coaching if you think you want to, but not for the full-fledged MA economics entrance, but rather you take coaching for intermediate micro, macro, econometrics, things you think you're weak in and you want to, go ahead and you want to understand. But preferably for MA economics entrance exam, the right time to join is after semester 4 exams or mid of semester 4. That's good enough. You join mid of semester 4 and you get access to a lot of micro already, which will help you in Sem 4 exams. So May and June is the right time to join these entrance exam coaching. Now, why? Why not July? Why not August? Why not October? Why? Well, that is because we follow a pattern. We follow a timetable. And what is that timetable? The timetable is that, and actually I should write mid of May is when I want to start it. That's when we start, but we go a little slow in the beginning. So, May, June, July, and August should only be there for you to cover micro and maths. Micro is intensive. You would have seen in a lot of my videos. This is intensive. Maths is intensive. If you do not do these things on time, you will lose out. Believe me. So you have to cover micro and maths on time. And here we are dedicating 5 days a week. There is a reason behind it. So that you can cover these subjects in detail. Right? So you have to go ahead and give these 3 to 4 months on micro and maths. Then September and October. So, here we are doing 5 days a week, these subjects, 1 hour each. But if time requires, we even shift to 2-hour classes later. Because the aim is to anyhow end this by August. We do not want to exceed beyond August. Now, September and October is when we cover statistics and macro. Again, they go simultaneously. Now, November and December is when we go ahead and we start with other subjects like econometrics, takes the entire November, and December on international development and Indian eco. Now comes the time of January. This is where a lot of students start to wake up. They will come and they'll ask, can we join coaching now? Is it the right time? It is. No problem. But forget IIT JAM. Forget you will be able to clear IIT exam. The exam is going to be in early Feb. Had you joined this coaching in the month of mid of May or June, by Jan, right, you would be doing these mock tests every day. Now imagine a student who joins coaching in Jan versus a student who has done all of this once and is giving these mock tests. Imagine the difference. Imagine that this student who joined in the month of May, June, in September, October was already giving mock test for micro and macro maths. You missed out on all of that. In early Feb, we have IIT, for which you have taken one complete month, early Feb, mid of Feb. You've already taken a month only to practice back-to-back questions. Then in Feb, we will start with SAU, IGIDR, Ferguson, and Ashoka mock tests. Then early March, mid of April, till that you give all these entrance exams, and I will start with ISI, JNU, and Jamia mock test. Remember, all these past years have already been done here. We have already done those in June, July, August, September, October. This is just only these pattern-based entrance exam mock tests that you would be doing. Then you will give your paper in May on JNU, ISI, and Jamia, and then you will start your mock tests for DSC. Now, if you join us in Jan, which a lot of students will do, I know, they would by mid of April only be covering the syllabus, believe me. All the mock tests would be accessible to them, but they have to listen to the syllabus also, right? I don't want you to do that. Join early. So then in May, we will start with DSC preparation, mock test preparations. Every day you sit for 3 hours, you grill yourself down, you give that entrance exam. In June and in July, you give your DSC entrance exam, you give exam for Terry, and happy you will get an admission in one of the good top universities. Here in between, you have this all, the schedule just got haphazard due to COVID. So here earlier in May only we used to have Madras School of Economics, Rajasthan University, BHU. So now is what you have to think. Do you want to join in May? If you want to join, there are students who excel, who get beautiful ranks even without joining. But the point is, if you want to take a guidance, and even in the month of January, if you are paying as much fees as you are doing today, what is the point of joining in Jan when you can join today? Why not take the full benefit of coaching classes, isn't it? So join early, gain more. Okay, thank you.